Build a graphic local is for any organization or agency that doesn't want to use the Microsoft Store version of the add-in. It is an ultra-secure, non-cloud-based version that is very easy to get started and very easy for people to use. The way it works is you would get Build a Graphic Local and it would be a folder, and you would place this folder anywhere that you want on a local hard drive, on an intranet or extranet, and give users access. They would click Start Build a Graphic and would automatically launch in their favorite browser. Now it has a search engine, and this search engine only searches the directory, the folder that Build a Graphic houses all the graphics in. So if I had a file, let's say this was my slide right here, and I wanted to transform this slide, what you would do is look for the content on the slide in the Build a Graphic search engine. So we have a training process that grows and evolves. It's made up of 7 steps. We can see that right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go back to my search engine. I'm going to type in 7 steps, and maybe I'll add grows or evolves and click return. And I can filter it based on graphic elements, which are individual graphic pieces or pre-built graphics. Now I'm going to choose pre-built graphics because I need a graphic really fast. And I would search through these graphics and I would choose whatever one that I want. You know what? I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose Get Graphic, and it's going to allow me to open that file. It's not downloading it from the internet. It's simply opening it up from the local directory. I'm going to click Open File. I can copy this slide and simply paste it into my deck. Once I do that, I'm going to migrate the content over. Here we see Step 1, Assess, Test for Proficiency. So what I can do is type in 01. And hit start returning and hit assess if I want to, and then continue to fill this out until I have something that looks like this. Once I have that, I can place that into my slide, into my Microsoft Word document, into my Adobe Illustrator file, Adobe Photoshop file, into my Google slide. It doesn't matter. The graphics can be copy and pasted anywhere that you want. You choose what you do. You're going to have a giant library of over 10,000 and growing professional exclusive graphics and elements. Things like icons of different styles, linear or filled. You're going to have a kit of parts, road graphics that then you can use to make the most incredible and professional, doesn't matter how complex your content is, graphics that communicate. You also have a kit of parts for pipe graphics and so forth and so on. You also have a giant library of pre-built professional graphics that are going to transform your content. No matter if you're creating a slide presentation, an infographic, it doesn't matter. What we have found is that the quality of the aesthetic is perceived to indicate the professionalism and quality of the content. So if we have amazing content, but it doesn't look like it, feel like it, sound like it, and taste like it, it undermines our ability to improve understanding, recollection, and adoption. And for that reason, you want to have access to a professional graphic asset library to help transform our content. Again, Build a Graphic is a local version that's ultra secure, non-cloud based, and it takes no training to get up to speed. And for those people that want training, it's built into the app. You would simply click on the tutorial and learn how to do it. Again, no training needed, but for those power users, you have that option. That is an overview of Build a Graphic Local. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. Enjoy.